Alright, so today, for visual reference, and that way I can come back to this, I have the Jeep, Big Deborah, all flexed out. So I'll show you guys, and that way I have a visual and you can see what's going on. So I would say she's about an inch, maybe less, away from full down travel. But everything's clearing. Yes. Everything's clearing, even the front drive shaft. I'm impressed. That sun's gonna be killer over here. But again, this is for visual reference. Oh, by the way, we did the transpan skid. Did that this morning. Just added about 7 inches of skid plate there. It worked out. It looks really good. So that'll protect the transpan. Brake lines look good. Drive shaft's not about to fall out. Look at the link. Flat boy. You guys see what I'm seeing. So the two that are up in the air, they're at full bump. They're at bump stop. Yeah, they're at bump. Which, you know, 3 fingers, hell, I could probably make that a little bit better. Get that a little higher. Good God. I built a monster. This one's at bump. Nothing's hitting. Nothing's about to hit. Except for the back. I do have a wee bit of a problem. So this is about still an inch away, maybe 1.5 inches. And the coilover, because I didn't French these guys in, it is, like it's still loose, like I could hit it and it would jiggle, so it's not all the way up against it, but it's about to be. So we need to trim just a little bit off the inside of the frame right here. And that way the coilover has space. But there we go. But otherwise, it's in there. It's working. Here. So again, this is for my visual reference, but y'all's viewing pleasure. This is nuts. It's badass. It's pretty badass rig. So I think we got to clearance a little bit for the rear coilovers, and we have to put an oil pan skid plate on there because I have a very good feeling that with my luck, I'm gonna come down off something and boom and hit that guy. So, but everything else seems to be looking great. Fantastic. We'll see you guys.